Hi, Anirdipta. Please introduce
Hi,
yourself.
sir. I'm Anirdipta Ghosh from Kolkata. Currently, I head marketing at a blockchain company known as IDA. I've done my BCom honors from St. Xavier's College.
Anirdipta, how did you feel when you saw the scorecard that you secured a 99 plus percentile?
So I think I felt extremely glad, like when I had first given like CAT on 30th November. I was very scared about the LRDI section. So there were thoughts in my mind that I might have made a lot of careless mistakes and all. So once the answer sheet was once we had the answer sheet, uh, there was a moment when I first put it in the famous, like in all the predictors and the score calculators, and I realized that I have a very bad, I performed extremely poorly in quants. But then I slowly began to understand that the theta answers were missing. Then there was one question whose answer was given wrong in my slot. So I think it was like I got to know it only like a day later, and finally when the scorecard came out, I think I had a 99.87 percentile in quants. So I think I was overjoyed. I was really glad with the percentile.
Okay, so what areas did you focus on while your preparation?
uh Sir, I mainly focused on giving mocks. I couldn't like I think I had prepared for last CAT last year as well, so I think I was well versed with all the quants and formulas and everything. So it was mainly about practicing. I took a lot of LRDI tests which were in the portal. Apart from that, I gave a lot of mock tests. I think over 40 mocks, and I think that sort of gave me the advantage after the tough LRDA section, which was in my slot. So like there were several people who fumbled their quant section because the LRDI was very tough, I feel. But I think that is I was able to keep my composure just because of the number of mocks which I gave.
How did Anastasis Academy help you out with your prep?
So I think it was like a one-stop solution for everything regarding CAT. So was there to answer all doubts. I've watched a lot of Sir's mock taking classes, like when Sir was taking mock, like giving the mock test. And I think the portal has n number of LRDI sets, so just practicing through it like gives a lot of confidence. I think there were a lot of problems which I could not solve myself. I looked at the answer, then again re-attempted it. I think that sort of builds the resilience. Apart from that, I think the overall, I think everything like it's an it like it's a one-stop solution for CAD. I think it was really helpful.
Okay, and role of Arvind Sir in your CAT prep?
So I think he's a very serious, not serious, like he's a very good mentor. Like the way he solves, with the way he looks at problems, it opens a different dimension in your mind. Like you might try to solve a problem in a very traditional way, so we'll find out ways like this is the better way to do it, and it just opens up different ways of solving a problem. You get to learn a lot from him when he takes a mock. And I think he was a great, like he was always there to answer any doubts that I had. So I think he's the one, I think, who put me in track, during the entire preparation phase.
Okay. And what do you think? How relevant was the content provided to you during your journey with us with respect to CAT?
So I think it was absolutely on point. Whatever is required by anyone to get even 100 percentile in CAT, they'll find it in the portal, in Sir's classes at Anastasis Academy.
And were the mentorship classes helpful?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. Uh, the teachers sharing their own perspectives, how they solve, how they look at questions, like they are definitely very, very helpful.
Any feedback on Arvind Sir's special sessions to enhance test taking skills sessions?
I think it's absolutely perfect. I think it's perfect. Like I can't give any feedback like apart from the fact that it's just perfect, and everyone whoever joins Anastasis Academy should definitely watch Sir's those classes.
Okay. Any advice for the next set of aspirants?
Uh, Take a lot of mocks, practice a lot. Don't focus too much on the theory. I think practice is what makes you sort of improve a lot while taking the exam. And also one important thing is like keeping your composure, because there might be a section which you did not perform well, but you don't know if the section was actually very tough or you like took it poorly. So at that point, I think it's very important to think in your mind that it was actually a very tough, and if I'm doing bad, everyone else is also doing bad. Go to the next section with a clear mind, without taking the baggage from the previous section. Give your best. Stay calm. I think staying calm is the most important thing, and that is something that one will get by the practice of giving a lot of mocks.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anirdipta, and wish you all the best for your GDPR rounds.
Thank you.